So this week at work, I got invited to speak on a panel about supercharging sales. It's at one of the leading SME growth events that occur in London every year called Elite Business Live. And we had a fantastic turnout, as you can see the remnants of what's left of the event at the end of the day behind me. One of the most interesting questions was asked, and that was around at what point in time should the founder-owner of a business hand over the sales function to a team? And should that ever be the case? The argument, of course, depending on why you do what you do, is yes. If your intention is to build your business into a wealth-generating asset, in other words, something that can be transferred either through an exit or through succession to a third party or to the next generation of leaders, the business obviously has to become largely independent of you. Whenever an investor looks at a business with a view to buy it, in order to offer you the exit that you might wish for, the first question they're going to ask is, with you there or without you there, what is the impact on the business? If you are core and central to the sales function, which is necessary in the early stages of the business, at that late stage when you're looking to exit it, well then, do you truly have a business? Because if without you there is no ability for the business to acquire clients, to onboard clients, to retain clients, well then what is the investor or buyer buying? They're going to look to find a business that stands alone, separate from you, and it is one of the key criteria of success for anyone looking to, who is in business, build an asset that can continue and exist without them, and through that offer them a fantastic exit and a capital gain in the shape or form of a reward for the investment, sacrifice and risk they've taken over the last 10, 15, 20 years to build the business in its own right. Food for thought. Don't get trapped. Leading sales, driving sales, being the engine of sales. Rather build that within the business to operate without you. Until next week, have an entrepreneurial evening.